In this video, you'll learn how to change your username on Perplexity AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your username to your preferred choice. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a seamless experience during this process. Once the application is open, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you will see the profile icon. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. After clicking on profile, a menu will appear with various options. Navigate to the option labeled account and click on it to proceed to your account details. In the account section, locate the username field. This is where you will input your new username. Make sure to choose a username that meets any specific requirements set by the platform. Now, enter your desired new username in the username field. Take a moment to double check the spelling and format to avoid any errors that may prevent the change from being successful. Once you have entered your new username, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Click Save to apply the changes you've made to your username. After clicking Save, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. If no message appears, verify that you filled in the username field correctly and try saving again. It is advisable to log out and then log back in to ensure that the new username is reflected throughout the application. This step can help confirm that the change has taken effect properly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.